Hi everybody, today is something different. I thought I'd give you a little tour of my bathroom. It's very, I was going to say it all together, it's not. It's just a mixture of lots of different things. So you'll see lots of unusual things in here, but definitely a lot of touches that are very us. My husband has just cleaned the bathroom, so I thought why not do a tour now while it is literally sparkling. Another disclaimer, this bathroom has been like this for 18 years, so yes, it is in need of improvement and there are issues. I'm not going to try and hide that. We have cracked tiles, we have a couple of tiles we had to pull up because I had a problem with the floor. So yes, there are lots of things in this bathroom that need fixing. We don't have the money to do that right now, but it is a fully functional bathroom and we improvise. So you're going to get to see that. I just thought it would be quite interesting to do because I'm not too sure I've ever shown this. If I have, I've never actually shown an actual tour of it, but I do love this room. So the toilet. We don't want to really dwell on that, but I will show you the things that are on it. So we have a little soap dispenser that my mum and dad gave me at Christmas, but I love him, so he stays out because he is very cute. And I like to keep things out when I like them. And then here we have this picture, Home Sweet Throne. I thought it was quite funny. I actually got it as a free download when I registered interest in, you know, the poo-pourri? I think it's poo-pourri. It's the stuff you spray down the toilet so it doesn't smell as bad. Anyway, this was kind of a free print that you could download from their site and I thought it was cute. So, and then a minion because I love the minions. So let's gloss over the toilet and the fact that there is a cracked tile down there. Like I said, we had a leak, so that's our toilet roll holder. Our toilet roll is normally on there. Sorry, it is a little rusty, but we think that that looks quite interesting. That was from Next forever ago. And tied to there is this little Disney bag from the Poundland shop. And I've just got ladies' items in because it keeps them nice and neat and handy. And we have a basket on the floor which normally has toilet rolls in it. But currently we have this one, which is absolutely huge. This is, what day are we on with this one? This one is day 5, and it's still huge. So this will last around 14 days. We actually got this from Staples when there was a toilet roll crisis, which I think is still going on, but I've not been in the outside world for coming up to 3 weeks now, so I'm not entirely sure. This is one of those very old school double radiators. Well, actually, this one's a triple. I painted it matte black. Yes. It's a bit dirty behind because we need to get, there's a special cleaner, but I was snapped, so we need to get another one. It just kind of reaches down the back with a sponge on. So we're going to get one of those at some point. And then a towel, nothing interesting there. And then up on the windowsill is just a number of different things really. I do have some kind of little touches like a Poundland rose and this little McDonald's toy. This is a box of tea lights, this is my box of Elemis products, and this is a box where Alec puts his razors. I use that at the back to put brushes in. Once they've laid flat for a little while on the windowsill, I then put them up there to finish drying. We have a couple of wax burners here because we do like to do that. And then this picture is really, really old. It's when Boots, the chemist, used to do framing. I got this from a charity shop, and it just is a bit of privacy because obviously at night when the lights are on, people outside can see if you're walking around naked. Not that they can see you exactly clearly, but they can certainly see shapes and colours and make out possible, maybe nipular areas. Did I just say that? Yes, I did. I apologise. But I just wanted that as a bit of a privacy thing, plus I think it's really cute. I like that kind of thing. And then I have this glass. My mother-in-law actually made that. When she passed, we actually took that. So there's quite a lot of things in this house from my mother-in-law's property because my sister-in-law didn't want anything. She said it was all junk, but I beg to differ. I like old things. And then on here, we just have a basket of products. Up on the wall is a mirror. I love this. This is actually, it was on sale at ASOS ages ago. I don't think it's even there anymore, but it was £5 and I love it. And then this mirror was a B&M mirror and that was on sale also. We like sale things. I have this little cabinet that we got off Freegal, little bedside cabinet. It's not covered in stains, people. It's just, as you can see, the paint is chipping. It's very old and vintage and I like that. I like that look, so that's what that is. Then there's just a little station to put things down on next to the toilet or next to the sink, some hand wash and some hand cream. And then the plug for the sink is in there. This is our sink. Next to that is our laundry basket, which is a bin. Don't judge, that was £5. Laundry bins are expensive, and when you haven't got the money, why not? It's just very plain, very simple, and it does the job. So this is our sink, and on here we have our Disney soap dispenser. I have this glass that I got at TK Maxx. This was £2.50. And then this other glass was also from TK Maxx. I highly recommend TK Maxx for bathroom type stuff. Ignore that there. He's put some sort of a treatment on there where we had some mould, and so that's just got to sit there overnight. So yes, this is like supposed to be like a vintage Coca-Cola glass. But yeah, that was TK Maxx as well. And that's for our toothbrushes. Over here is the shower cubicle. The shower door broke off at the hinges at the top and wasn't able to be fixed. So yeah, I had this Maryland shower curtain and that was put on there. We don't use the shower, me and Alec just use the bath. But in here, the shower handle thing it's attached to on the wall, that actually broke, so that's held on with a tie. So as soon as I get work teaching, this room's the first one that's going to get attention. We're going to retile the floor, we're going to put a new shower cubicle in and a new shower arm and nozzle, but the shower itself is actually not that old, so we're just going to leave that in. But that is this. We're also going to probably get the walls regrouted. They are a little bit grubby in places. Yes, and a vent put in this room. So there's a number of different things that need doing. Over here we have this cabinet. On here are primarily, there's a lot of Alex things here. This I got from a charity shop, which was £2. It's really, really heavy, made of marble, and in there are our matches because it keeps them airtight and dry. Then I have some hair stuff. My little box of empties is down there. It used to live over here, but there's actually a little plastic bath with Alex kind of products in there now. This is our bath. I love this bath. This has these amazing feet, which are rusted, but that's fine. They were really silver when I got them, but I really like that kind of old look, so I'm glad over time that that has happened. And then this is plaster on the side for me to paint. I could have got it finished with a shiny surface, but I decided to go for the plaster just because I thought it would be quite interesting, really, because I could paint it if ever I wanted to. I never have painted it. I'm very happy with it as it is. And then this is the bath. It's absolutely huge. So products on the side. Alec keeps his razors in here, and he's got some face washes and some shower gels that he uses. Got the soap in the middle, and then over here I've got my things. I've currently got my Murad exfoliating cleanser, the Roche-Posay Effaclar, that's the foaming cleanser, the foaming gel, purifying foaming gel. Then I have the Satsuma shower gel. This is decanted into one of those large bottles from Body Shop that has the strawberry and like the different shower gels in. I think it's 1250 mils. But I just decant the Superdrug Satsuma shower gel into there, and I use it as a body wash, and I also use it as bubble bath. My razors are in here, and then I've got some sponges, and that's the plug. On the back of the door we just have this towel rack. It's a great space saver, and then I hang my cardigans there. Ignore these cushions sitting here. These are from my desk outside in my office. Shall I show you? This is my beauty room / office. But these sit on my chair. They're very decorative. They also stop the dog getting up. But they sit in here when I'm working in the office. And then over here, on top I have my products. A lot of products that I'm currently using or, you know, trying to use. Excuse that some of them are a little dirty. I've actually just had a massive clean out when I got this. So I need to wipe some of them over. I have a large number of candles here. This one is Yankee Candle Citrus Bark. I love Sea Salt Breeze by Primark. Eucalyptus and Mint was from TK Maxx. And then just some variant other little containers. Really like them. We like these at night when we're in the bath. The cabinets from Wilko. Before I move on to what's in there, the tiles themselves, these are I think they're 8 by 8 matte white tiles. They're very simple. They were very cheap. Like I said, this is 18 years ago. These were very hard to get a hold of, would you believe it? Everybody was into shiny tiles and it was just a big hoo-ha, and I ended up getting them super cheap because nobody wanted them. But I wanted the matte white look, and I did struggle with whether I was going to plaster the top, but I'm kind of really glad that it's all tiled. I think it looks really clean. And then this very simple border. There was a lot of mosaic borders. I didn't want that. I wanted this. And then on the floor, just plain black tiles. So yes, we're going to keep these tiles on the walls. I love them. There's a broken one on that windowsill which we need to replace, but I actually have spares. So we're going to replace that one. We're going to put a vent in the wall up here. We're going to put new tiles on the floor. New toilet. I want one with the cistern that's up on the wall. And then new shower cubicle and a thing, new nozzle for the shower. And everything else will probably stay. Yeah, because I love it. I love this bathroom. Anyway. This cabinet was £12 from Wilko, and I love it. It's just a nice little, honestly, it's so sturdy how it fits together. It's 3 shelves. The baskets I think I paid £2 for. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they were £2 because I think it ended up coming to £18 for all of it. I don't know if they're normally £2 though. They might have been on offer. But I just thought, rather than just put things on the shelves, it's so much easier to put them like in drawers. And they obviously, because this is a funny shape, they're not like the square ones like the IKEA. There was nothing that would fit straight in it. But I thought this way at least you could kind of see what's going on. And they are organised. In the bottom we have a little bit of excess stuff. So these were on offer at some point and I ended up picking a couple of these because this is my favourite face wash. It really keeps my skin clear. And then I have an overflow of shower gels and things in here. This is just little samples in here. So lots of different shower gels and things in there. I found this when I was tidying, which has gone rusty, but it still smells amazing. They don't even make that anymore. So that was interesting. So mainly shower and bath stuff in there, but I do have that micellar water, which I got when it was on offer. Last time I was in Superdrug, which was quite some time now. And then we always have Dettol in the bathroom. It's just a staple. It's really great for cleaning and things like that and wiping surfaces down, so I always have Dettol. So that's that. Then up on the next shelf, this one's all hair, although I do have another pack of sponges because they were on offer at Superdrug. So in here are all hair products. So on the right hand side, I'm just going to I'll explain this in a second. Right hand side, these are all shampoos. This amazing huge bottle of Philip Kingsley my mum gave me because she doesn't like it. She got it off QVC quite some time ago. So these are shampoos on this side, which is great because I'm visually challenged and I can't read the labels because I basically bath about 12 at night, sometimes later. So, and I bath in the dark. I really like just having a few candles on. It's very relaxing. It's nice and dark. The window's open. It's quiet. I love it. So I can't read what's what. But if I separated the shampoos to one side and the conditioners to the other, I know what I'm reaching for. So that's that. I've just added a few little things in here. So I apologise if it looks a bit on the messy side. But on this side, these are all hair conditioners and hair treatments and things. So yes, that's in there. It's all my hair stuff and my Colour Freedom's in there. And this is what I use when I'm actually using this Colour Freedom, which is what I use to revive my colour. I use this and just clean up around the edges of my face and stuff just to make sure it doesn't stain my skin. So that's what that's there for. It's really useful. And then I always have sponges. As you notice, I've got 2 out at the minute. These are really cheap from Superdrug. They were buy one get one half price, I believe, or buy one get one free. So it's just good to have those in. So that's hair care. And then on the top, ignore that that's there. My dog stole that from somewhere else. I'm just going to pop it down there. Right, up on here, this is all skincare. Again, this is not jumbled. It's just a few different things I've kind of put in because I found this Evian water. I like this in the bathroom because when I get too hot in the bath I can spritz myself with that. And then there's lots of samples and things in here. There's some serum that I will get onto when I use my Elemis one up. I've got, sorry, that's Balance Me serum. There's Estee Lauder Take It Away. That's my new bottle. I'm currently working on one up here. And there's not a great deal left. I love that as a makeup remover. I use this to wash my brushes. Then I've got my Elemis cleansing balm in there and a cloth. And just various different skincare things. And then this is actually Dettol. So this is Dettol Surface Cleaner. We keep that up here with everything that's going on, but also it's just handy to have really to keep your bathroom nice and clean. A toner that I'm nearly out of, and I'm going to actually pop that up top so I can use it. And then this here just has my cotton pads in, which is why those other cotton pads were there, because I need to refill it. And yeah, so there's just a variety of different things in there. Vitamin C toner, which I've just started to use. And then I do get this on a, like you get sent it every 4 months, I think it is, from Dermalogica. I can't speak, Dermalogica. This is the Clear Start Foam and Wash. I usually use that on a morning, or sometimes I'll change it up. So instead of the La Roche-Posay, I'll use this for a little while, but both are really good for my very acne-prone skin. So yes, there's a bit of mix of lots of different skincare in there. I'm not going to pull it all out, just because that would be a nightmare. I'm going to pop that back up there. I just love this. It was really cheap, but I just think it just looks so nice. I like that I can see my products and that it's all organised per shelf. It's great. It's pulled off the wall so it doesn't kind of get mouldy behind there. And then in here, like I said, I've just got MAC cleanser oil, I've got Witch cleanser lotion, I've got an Elemis bath and shower milk. I use these which fill up that. That is the Orange and Satsuma shower gel from Superdrug. I've got 2 of them. Yeah, so there you go. And then down here in this corner, the reason we got this is because the other cabinet used to be over here and there was stuff on top. It was stacked really high. There was loads of stuff on the floor, and this has tidied this up massively. So down here, we just have this container which is from IKEA, and then in there they're just all bath stuff. So we really like these because you can get them for 98p each. So we have just a different, we like a good variety. We bath every night, so we do have quite a lot of them. And Pound Shop does them as well, so we have those in there and we use those as bubble bath, because some of them are shower gels, but we use them as bubble bath. And then I have some wipes. I have antibacterial floor wipes in extra large, and antibacterial household wipes. Those are just from Pound Shop. And then down here is the dog's water bowl. This one is from Primark and it's Buzz. We've got Woody out on the landing. We basically have one of these in the bathroom, one of them on the landing upstairs, one in the kitchen. So the dogs can always access water. It's very important that they're hydrated. And then I have this Munchkin shower jug. It's bendy. It's really great if your kids don't like water in their eyes, because I'll just demonstrate. You can press it against their heads and it just basically goes to the shape of their face. So it moulds to the face, and then the water will not run down their face. So I've had this forever. They still sell them. I don't know where you would get it, but you can see it's stained with my hair dye there. But I have had it forever. I do use this when I'm washing my own hair in the bath, but I also, when Alec washes my back, he uses that to rinse me off. So that's it. That is my bathroom. It's not huge, but it's bigger than some people's bathrooms. I think that we're actually fairly blessed with how large it is. It's okay. And this is Bumpety. She was gifted to my parents when my mum was pregnant with me. So she's been with me forever. And I absolutely love it in here. It's really nice and airy and bright. And I love that because it's all black and white, you can just add accents of colour. Currently we've got the blue on there, but we have different coloured hand towels. So, not everybody's cup of tea. Lots of different things that are very signature me. They definitely have put my imprint on it, but I really, really love this room, and I just thought I'd share it with you because it's something a little bit different. So that's it for today's video, guys. Really hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching as always. Take care of yourselves and each other. Stay at home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!